Hello, this is Last Garden Standing, and I'm going to bring you a short video on how you can naturally bring soil back. Your soil, you can condition it with calcium and bring that back into your soil. All I use is simple eggshells. I'm sure you've heard of that before. All I do is use them, put them in a bucket, let them dry naturally. However, you can put them in the oven at 200 degrees and bake them to dry them out quicker if you'd like. I just let it go, and then when I get a bucket full, what I do is I put them between wax paper, such as this, and I just take a rolling pin and just roll it until it's really fine. Now I've got this batch this fine, which is pretty good, but it can even be finer. It can be like a powdery substance. The more you break it down, the easier it is distributed throughout your soil. And by the way, it is a bone, so it doesn't break down very fast, so you want it to be as crushed up as possible so that that gets distributed faster into your soil. Now I start like this, and all I do is just roll it until it is like this or thinner. So, and it's pretty thin right now, but I'm probably going to roll that even thinner. This is a good way, a natural way to get calcium back into your soil. And I put it in my potted plants, I put it in the garden, the flower garden, everything, even in the fall, and then I do it again periodically in the spring as well. If I can throw some out there during the winter, I will, but usually not, usually just spring and fall and throughout the summer. So that's what I do, and it can be done in the oven to make it all quicker, or you can just do it this way and get it out there as the eggshells dry out. So that's really all there is. If you have any questions, I'll put my email in the description. So like, share, and comment. If you have questions, let me know. I appreciate your watching, and thank you to all my subscribers. This is Last Garden Standing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.